making your ex see your value through social media. Breakups can be tough, but social media gives you a chance to show your growth and confidence without direct contact. Instead of trying to make your ex jealous, focus on highlighting the best version of yourself. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here's how to do it effectively. 1. Upgrade your online presence. Post content that reflects personal growth, whether it's fitness, career achievements, or hobbies. Show that you are thriving, not just moving on. 2. Avoid negative or emotional posts. Resist the urge to post sad quotes or vent about the breakup. Staying composed and mature makes you more attractive. 3. Expand your social circle. Engage with new people and attend social events. Seeing you surrounded by positive energy can make your ex rethink their decision. 4. Radiate positivity. Happiness is appealing. Share content that reflects a fulfilling life, whether it's travel, achievements, or simple joys. 5. Be subtle. Don't overdo it with excessive posting. Let your success and confidence shine naturally. 6. Maintain some mystery. Not everything needs to be shared. A little mystery keeps them curious. 7. Improve your appearance. A fresh new look or updated profile picture can subtly remind them of your attractiveness. 8. Limit interaction with them. Avoid checking their profile or engaging with their content. Distance can create intrigue. 9. Focus on success. Let your achievements do the talking. Growth and ambition are powerful statements. 10. Move forward for yourself. The goal is self-improvement. If they notice, great. If not, you're already winning by becoming the best version of yourself. Social media is a tool, not a weapon. When used wisely, it can showcase your transformation and reinforce your value, not just for your ex, but for yourself and anyone else paying attention. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.